guys, welcome to 254 Celebrity channel. If you are new here, just feel free to like, comment and subscribe, and if you are a returning subscriber, thank you so much for the support, and without further ado, let's get right into this tea. Now, Ringtone and Xtian Dela have been seriously beefing for the past couple of days, and this beef began after the Xtian Dela and Shakilla IG live where she mentioned Ringtone as one of the many celebrities she had slept with. So, after portraying the self-proclaimed chairman of the gospel industry in such a bad light, Ringtone was so furious with Xtian Dela especially, and he put up this video on his IG where he was calling him out, and in the video he was saying some really bizarre stuff ati anaweza amua kuomba Mungu atume mashoga kwa Xtian Dela wamweke anguli ya dhambi.
Careful when you're dealing with people like me. Xtian Dela mimi leo nikaamua nipige magoti chini. Niombe Mungu wangu. The spirit of God inaweza command mashoga wote wakuje wakunajisi.
Later on, after Xtian Dela saw that video, he was so furious and he vowed to deal with Ringtone venye hajawahi ona by exposing his dirty past. He was even asking his followers to send any dirt they had on Ringtone. So, vile Ringtone aliona hivo, I think he grew cold feet and decided to take down the video. But Xtian Dela still went ahead to expose Ringtone by hosting Shakilla once again on his live, where she spilled some more tea on Ringtone about how they met, her first time at his place, his F-boy tendencies, and all that juicy stuff.
What did I do? Boom. What did I do? See, I texted him. I was like, hi, my name is Shakilla, this is my number. Can we hang out sometime? I was so surprised the next day I'm seeing Ringtone has texted you know. And he was like, yeah, sure, why not? Then he called me. Then from there, like, we've been talking, we've been hanging out. I also have his friends who are there. He's hanging out with Kinadi Cake and in Runda. We've gone to so many places. With, they bring girls, they have fun, drinks, everything, yamachoma, blah, 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 road trips. In his house, though, you get what I'm saying? With that decay when you beat, I have everything.
Before this live, Ringtone had actually denied knowing Shakilla, but it backfired on him because Shakilla alidrop receipts na kuambia alisema hadi kwa Ringtone mtu huingilia kwa kitchen, which Xtian Dela confirmed to be true. Now, later, which is yesterday, Ringtone put up another video on IG trying to play the reverse card on Xtian Dela. So he was claiming that Xtian Dela had called him and told him he would make Ringtone famous only if he was willing to play along with Shakilla's exposé. He also said that Xtian Dela had asked him to send 100k to him so that he could flip the story on Shakilla and it would look like she was lying. Something of that sort. Here's the video.
Yo Kenyans, I feel like today I would like to let the cat out of the cage. So nataka kuambia exactly what has been going on with the Xtian Dela. That kagal mwenye alitoka akanitaja mimi, akataja wanyama, akataja Kinotile Brown, Will Paul, akataja Calligraph. Ako kagar kakitoka kalikuwa tuna uongo zake. Na ukiangalia venye story imeenda, Xtian Dela hata yeye alikuwa anajua. But mimi wakati nilikasirika nikapost video, Xtian Dela approached me na akaniambia, Ringtone, I can from the reactions we can turn this into a big thing ya kukumarket na brand yako, na pia mimi nisaidie comeback ambaye ni yeye. So what I did, nikamuuliza unataka tufanyaje? Xtian Dela akaniambia I just need. So basically, then baada ya kunipigia mimi, then nikaamua I'll pull down the video. Akaniambia juu nimechachisha kwa kufanya venye nimepost. Akaniambia this show tonight is going to be the biggest show ashawahi fanya kwa live. So mimi nikamwambia so long as haitanitia image, kwa sababu huyo msichana simjui, and the truth is hata yeye mwenyewe akaniambia anajua msichana anadanganya. So then Dela akaniambia nimpatie 100,000. Nikamwambia kwa sababu tumeanza na long footing, mimi nitampea 20 kwanza, alafu akideliver nione ameniweka mzuri hivyo nitampatia the balance. So then Dela tukasikilizana, find out ako kama msichana what she knows about us celebs, kwangu nini, vitu kama hizo. So then what happened, huyu msichana Dela nikaambia Dela mimi kwangu naingianga na kitchen. So huyo msichana ndikawa tumesikizana eti kwa hiyo live ilikuwa nikuje. So that's why kama mliwatch hiyo live yake mliona anasema Ringtone come, na Ringtone nikakataa kukam kwa sababu alikuwa chachoma, amechoma na hajafanya venye tuliagree. So that's the reason why I didn't come kwa live yake. Although the plan was that nikuje live na huyo msichana aseme mlango wangu wa nyumba ikuwe ni tofauti juajui, aseme vitu ambazo ni wrong, ni disapprove. Alafu Ndela yeye aonekane ako innocent. So mimi nikakataa kukam live kwa sababu Ndela alikuwa ashaambia msichana vitu za ukweli zenye mimi nimemwambia, nimemtrust kama brother. So Ndela mimi usiniitishe pesa yoyote. Na so Ndela amekuwa from yesterday akinitumia ma text messages, oh you need this balance, oh what sijui nini. So me
now after Xtian Dela saw that video, alikuwa ameshika moto. He was super mad that Ringtone was trying to lie on his name, and he was like, you know what, don't even try it because I'm going to expose your filthy past. Apparently Xtian Dela used to be close with Ringtone back in the day, so he has a lot of that on him. Word on the street is that Ringtone is not that holy good Christian guy he portrays himself to be. Apparently he has done the dirtiest of stuff according to Xtian Dela, and he says he has all the proof. So this is what he said on Instagram, and I quote, "I rarely get pissed off by people on social media. This Apoko fool is touching every single nerve in my body. Don't make me stoop as low as exposing all your orgy pictures and video and your gay sexcapades with some big gospel artist. Apoko, don't make me. I don't want to break families and careers in this country. Don't push me, Apoko. I have all those receipts, pictures, and everything." How many ladies do you think have been sending videos and pics of you and all your celebrity friends and gospel friends? All the houses you have had this nonsense in. Weh, ni kubaya. I don't know if Ringtone has a comeback for this, but he better not, because one more word from him and Xtian Dela drops those receipts, I don't even think I would look at Ringtone the same way again. Chairman wa gospel, woi. Nobody knows how long this back and forth is gonna last, but we shall be here to enjoy the tea. Anyway guys, that's all for now. Go ahead and comment your thoughts on the comment section below. Like this video, and for those who have not subscribed, please subscribe for more updates. Do not be shy to press on that bell button to be notified every time I post a video. And until next time guys, bye!